Alright guys, I bought myself a nice new project bike. Here it is. It's a 74 CB750. No title, no keys. The engine is seized. Picked it up for 400 bucks. And I also asked the owner if he would deliver it because he was all the way in Indiana and he charged me $150. So what you see here is a $550 project bike. Check out those sweet side pipes. All right, and then the best thing about the side pipes is, check this out. Can't even use the rear brake. Hits the pipes. So priorities, man, priorities. All right, so why did I buy this? Well, I want to do a top end rebuild video, bottom end rebuild video, and a carb rebuild video. So this is pretty much all there. It's all complete. And since it's in the frame, I got a wiring harness that needs a little bit of work, but I'll be able to run it and test the engine after rebuild. Okay. As far as the rest of the bike is concerned, I'm simply just going to sell it once I'm done with all that. It has an extended front end, a couple inches. Looks like someone was chopped this thing out back in the 80s. But there's other good parts on here. You know, you can restore the wheels and whatnot. But the frame is junk. I mean, no title. And then over here, there's some goofy VIN tag that they riveted on there or something. I don't know. So basically, you're looking at this engine going, oh man, that's nasty. Well, I built that vapor blaster over there, right? All you got to do is take this stuff apart, throw it in the machine, and after a few minutes, it's going to look like this, right? So I can make this engine look brand new, and we'll rebuild it. It'll look good. It'll run good. Now, I've already unseized the engine. I'm going to do a video on how to do that. It was actually pretty simple. So now the engine rotates. I can pull the motor, and we can get that cam chain off, because that was my biggest concern with a seized motor. You'd have to snap the cam chain. Also, on this model, in order to do a head gasket or pull the head off, you have to pull the motor. There's no room between the frame and the valve cover to get this out. And I know that some people even go to cut the frame in order to do that. So this frame is uncut, but we'll just go ahead and pull that motor. All right, guys, well, that's it for this video. Just a quick update. I'll start working on this in the next few weeks.